Local news for Thursday the 25th of October. There are over 60 bookshops all over New Zealand celebrating the 5th nationwide New Zealand Bookshop Day this Saturday, with events taking place from Paper Plus in Masterton to Bassine's Bookshop in Featherston. A coastal sheep and beef farm, which also sustains an eco-tourism business and commercial honey production venture, has been placed on the market for sale. Kawakawa Station at Ngawi near Cape Palliser is one of Wairarapa's oldest sheep stations and traces its roots back to 1847. James Goodyear is the only Wairarapa bush player to be named in the Heartland 15. Two games are to be played in Taupo on the 1st and 4th of November against Vanua from Fiji and New Zealand Marist. And in sport of this weekend's Umpires Club Cricket, Red Star will take on Rathkill's second 11. Lansdowne will play the Rathkill first 11 with Marist and Greytown having the bye.